This week's top stories.
Managing buildings during the national mourning period. Guidance for FMs. Official national mourning for Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II has begun. In what's being described as a unique national moment, the mourning period will continue until the end of the day of the state funeral on the 19th of September, and businesses may wish to implement adaptations to their day-to-day operations this week. Our guide highlights changes in workplaces, building maintenance, and personnel that facilities managers will need to consider during this unprecedented time. SBFM wins cleaning contract with PureGym. SBFM has secured a 5-year contract with the UK's largest gym operator PureGym to deliver a full suite of commercial cleaning services across all of the company's UK gyms. SBFM and PureGym are both headquartered in the city of Leeds, and the contract commenced on the 1st of September 2022. Most of PureGym's sites are open 24/7, with 1.7 million members across more than 525 clubs, predominantly in the UK and Europe. The group recently announced plans to double the number of clubs in its portfolio. Young Leader of the Year Award 2022 finalists announced. After a record number of entries, the Emerging Workplace Leaders Group has announced its 3 finalists for the Young Leader of the Year Award 2022 from Pareto FM, CBRE and Sodexo. Each finalist will now be tasked with presenting to an industry-wide audience on fostering collaboration during a hybrid revolution and how as young leaders they can effect positive change.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.